first DIY treat are Rolo pretzel sandwiches, and these are super easy to make. So all you have to do is place a little Rolo candy on pretzels, and then I place these in the microwave on a microwave safe plate for around 15 seconds, just so that the chocolate was hot enough so that I could place another pretzel on top of the chocolate and make it into like a pretzel sandwich. Next, I placed some white chocolate chips in a microwave safe bowl, and I just kept placing it in the microwave for 15 seconds until it was completely melted, and then I just placed the pretzel sandwiches in the white chocolate. I didn't cover them completely because that would be a mess, so I just covered them about halfway, and then I sprinkled some sprinkles on top, and that was basically it. This was super easy to make, and they were very delicious as well. This is what the first treat turned out to look like. I think they're super cute and festive, and like I said, they're really delicious. All of the treats in this video are super easy to make and no bake, which is awesome if you are making them last minute and don't have time to bake them. So the next treat idea are chocolate covered pretzels, and this is very similar to the last treat, except we're not using Rolos, and they're actually a little bit easier to make. So all you have to do is melt some white chocolate in the microwave in a microwave safe bowl like I did for the last DIY, and then I just placed some pretzels in the white chocolate, and then I placed some crushed candy canes and sprinkles to make it all festive. This is what the second treat turned out to look like, and I think they're very cute. Some of them are pretty messy, as you can tell. You can't even tell some of these are pretzels, but some of them definitely do look like pretzels, and they're very cute, and I really like this treat a lot. The third treat idea are pretzel M&M hugs. That is what they call them on Pinterest. So all you have to do is place one Hershey's chocolate kiss on some pretzels, and then place this in the microwave on a microwave safe plate just until the chocolate is melted enough to place an M&M on top of the chocolate, and that's it. I know these aren't that aesthetically pleasing, but other than that, they are very good. And let's move on to the last treat idea. So the last treat are reindeer cookies. I know all of these included pretzels. This one does include pretzels, but that's not like the main focus of the treat like the other three. So all you have to do is break apart a pretzel into 2 small pieces and then attach them using frosting. This was actually pretty hard to do. I don't know why. And then I just placed some M&Ms on the reindeer cookie as well by using the frosting, and the M&Ms are for the eyes and the red nose, and this is what they turned out to look like. So that is it for this video. I know it was pretty short, but all of these were super easy to make, and I wanted to make a no bake treats video because I'm not a chef, and these are treats that I like to make, just super easy treats. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm filming this